right, I'm gonna try the kayak launch, even though this is like a pontoon style hull. All right. All right, here we go. Try up by a trestle or by the island. Let me take a look at the island first. Look at all them cormorants up there eating thousands of fish. I started seeing them here maybe 8 or 10 years ago, and their population exploded there. What's up, everybody? Getting out for my first catfish trip of the year, mid-May. Want to get one nice big one, man. It'd be nice to get a bunch of big ones, but looks like a good spot there along the island. They tie up to a log or something. This would be one of my good spots, but not as deep as it once was. Used to be a cut bank or drop off to 7, 8 feet, but not anymore. Filled in. I got some fresh killed suckers for bait. Cut these up. Got 3 rods with me. This one here, I got a slip sinker rig. Gonna put a nice big piece of sucker on here. Piece of sucker, cast that out, and I'm gonna fish the other rods with slip floats. All right, right there. All right. On my other rods, I got some fresh chicken breast marinated in strawberry jello. I don't like the stinky stuff. A lot of guys swear by stinky stuff, but I don't know. I think the cats like fresh stuff. That's just my opinion. Get it out there on the slip float. Wait a minute. What's going on with that line there? Something going on with that. There's something running with it. You let it go. It was running. It was running. It was a water moccasin. Let's see this float go. I only had one bite. I mean, you've dropped it. Probably felt the weight running with it. Here comes the float. I want to see that float sink. Usually I do better with the chicken breast and chicken livers as the water warms. It's still kind of cold. It's been a very cold spring. A little slow start, but it is midday. I didn't get here till, well, nothing to show for my efforts yet. Take a couple casts along the way with the floats. I don't get it, man. Nice cut bank right there. And I ain't had a float drop yet. Well, I got the bridge spot to try and a spot up a little further. Well, nothing biting here either. I don't know, man. I used to be able to catch quite a few fish. These days, man, I suck. Did I forget everything I ever learned, or my luck run out? That's pretty discouraging. All right, fishing some cut bait on a slip sinker rig. Got one of them old sinkers, size 2 hook. Get it out there. See if we get a cat. All right, let's see if we get a catfish here. Kind of gave up on the bobber rigs. You got to bite on the bottom rig. He's heading it. He's hitting it. Oh, man. I missed him. Can't believe it. Had one bite and you missed him. There's one biting on that one. You biting it. I got him. I got him. I got one. I got one. I got 3 rods out. Oh. Oh. All right. Oh no, he got some wood. That's a nice one. Feels good. Feels good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Almost ripped the rod out of my arm. Come on up here. What do I got here? Oh, that's a nice one. That's a nice one. Whoa. Oh yeah. Big cat. Big cat. Get that one in. Get that in there. Get that bobber on there. Oh yeah. Nice one. Not a giant, but it's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. That's a nice cat. Catfish. Come on, get in there. Get in there. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good one. No skunking. No skunking. All right, on the board. On the board with a nice cat. Nice one. Yeah. Nice kitty. Nice kitty. I think I my other rod just got bit. See it. Wait for another one bite. I had 2 bites there at this spot. The first one I missed. 3rd bite of the day, man. Been out for a couple hours, man. Kind of expected a little better. Got a float there off to the side with a cut bait. Switched to fishing 3 cut baits. I got chicken breast too, but I figure it's early. The water's still cold. Cut bait would probably be a better option. I don't know. Time to look for another spot, man. 2 bites under the bridge. There's a bald eagle. Seeing more and more of those these days. You just spot a shot for a little bit, maybe go back down to the island. One giant. I got a nice one, but I want something over 20. We send this cut bait back out. All right. All right. Send that one out there. Where's the other one? All right. All right, send this one out. I got two bottom rigs out. I was fishing the float here, but I got snagged and fish on. Fish on. Holy Oh, the rod's messed up. Oh, right in the logs. Oh man, he's in the wood. Get him out of the wood. Get him out of the wood. Oh. Is it big or what? I don't know. I don't know. Oh, it feels big. I don't know how big. He's getting into the logs. Whoa. Oh no, he's into the logs. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. Catfish. Oh, there's a big one. That's a big one. Where's my net? On a cut bait. On a cut bait. Get over and get in there. Oh yeah. Oh no. He's not in the net. He's not in the net. Please come in here. He's in the net. I can't get him in the net. That's a big one. Oh, finally a big jumbo. I couldn't get him in the net. Big one. Whew. Look at the size of that. Saved my cut bait too. Got a nice big one under the bridge. Couldn't get any more bites. Probably stayed there longer than I should have. Decided to come back here, try this spot again, and look at the size of that. That's, whoa. Almost boat flipped me. Look at the size of that. Big cat. Look at the size of the mouth on that thing. All right. Nice big cat. There he goes. To the depths. See ya. Here comes the train. Fishing's a little slow today. Only got 2, but if you're gonna get 2, might as well be two nice ones instead of 2 tiny ones, right? Just moved up, put some fresh baits. Moved up about 30-40 yards, put some fresh bait on. Almost hit him in the head with it. Look at a giant angry beaver. Look at him. All right, I didn't mean to wake you up, buddy. Oh, oh, I gotta watch out. He might come up alongside of me and try to grab me. I tossed my anchor up in there, and I heard all kinds of commotion. Not much luck with the floats today. As it gets warmer. Yeah. I don't know if I got the patience for this. If they're biting one after another, that's another thing. Come on, one more. One more, let me end in a high note. I'll definitely get out of here, I promise. I promise. It's been painfully slow. Just drift along, watch this float. I want to try one more spot. I don't know. Should I go back to the bridge where I had a nice cat, but also about 10 snags? I lost rigs. It's a ton of snags down there. A lot of wood. Barbarous went down. My barbarous went down, and I was worried about turning the camera. I should have set the hook. Just went down. Oh, it just came back up. That's the second bite I had in this area. Just doing this drift with the float. I gotta go back up and make another drift. I missed 2 bites because I was waiting for the camera to come on. Instead of setting the hook, I wanted to get a couple float drops and I blew it. I just motored up and make another drift. Probably ain't gonna bite this time, right? No, that didn't work out. So, got a snag. Let me reel this mother in. Try one more time under the bridge, even though I got a bunch of snags. There was one nice fish there. Alright, last cast. Last cast. Last chance fish. Last chance to be on video. Kind of disappointed in the fishing today, but could always be worse, man. I could have got skunked. I got 2 nice ones at least. Just kind of expecting double digits, but I'll take it, man. Still nice to get out and do a little fishing. Couple more minutes, get out of here. I ain't had a bite in an hour. What am I doing here? Alright, I'm out of here. Kicking the turbo drive. Sunset Bay. Alright. Pick up the drive.